Yeah, see, now he's down because he got a little bit of that jaw flexion to the inside. If you look at, yes, even on the long side, do a little bit of a jaw flexion to the inside. Right there. Keep the a little flex to the inside. Yes, yes. You see all the Grand Prix horse, you're going to get a little bit of this jaw flex to keep them. Yeah, yeah. There, you are something. And he doesn't care. Nice, nice. But you know, it's very, the rhythm, it's always the same. A little more or less forward, but it's one step up and out. It's very regular. One, all about you, it's not.